After Hank Schrader is brutally attacked, the hospital becomes the center of attention. But while everyone is focused on Hank's survival, Gustavo Fring quietly makes his move. Gus arrives at the hospital and offers a $10,000 reward for information about the attack. To the public, he looks like a concerned businessman helping the community. But Walter White knows there is much more going on beneath the surface. Walter finally gets Gus alone and confronts him about knowing that Hank is a DEA agent. Gus remains completely calm. He explains that before doing business with anyone, he carefully investigates them. He already knows who Hank is and believes Hank doesn't pose a direct threat to their operation. Then Gus delivers the real message. I hide in plain sight. His charitable public image isn't just kindness, it's protection. By becoming a respected member of the community, Gus makes himself almost invisible to suspicion. And Walter realizes something disturbing. Gus has mastered the same double life that Walter is trying to maintain. But the calm conversation is followed by chaos. The medical team desperately fights to save the wounded assassin responsible for the attack. Despite their efforts, the patient dies. In this scene, Gus proves why he's so dangerous. He doesn't need to threaten Walter or raise his voice. He stays calm, controls the situation, and hides his criminal empire behind the image of a respectable businessman. Gus doesn't hide from the world, he hides in plain sight.